Alright, so today we're actually going to be checking out and unboxing two different things. First up, we have the M330 Silent from Logitech, and then also from Logitech, the K780. We're going to be checking out both of these, so let's jump into it. Alright, so today we're going to be checking out and unboxing two different products, both from Logitech. One's a keyboard and one's a mouse. We're going to be checking out the M330 Silent from Logitech, again, also from Logitech, the Logitech K780. Okay, so we're going to start with the M330 Silent. If you see me glancing at my laptop here, I have some notes. I don't want to miss anything. But it comes in a clear case like this. As you can see, the mouse is on display here. I've actually already cut this open because it is a living nightmare trying to get it open. So on the front of the case here, you can see it has a 24-month battery life and a 10-meter wireless connection. So let's go ahead and open it up here. I have gotten the black and gray one. They also sell a yellow and gray one, which in my opinion is absolutely ugly. This is a pretty small mouse, but it is comfortable in the hand, has some nice rubberized grips on the side that are nice and textured. There's no reprogrammable keys on the side, just the right and left triggers on the top, and then the scroll wheel. On the back here, you can see the battery case opens up like this. One AA battery, and you can also see the wireless 2.4 gigahertz dongle here. So no Bluetooth, but it does have a nice little compartment where you can keep it in the back. The on-off switch, of course. In my opinion, this is a pretty nice little mouse. Feels nice in the hand. I like the colors. Looks very professional. Alright, now let's move on to the Logitech K780. We're going to go ahead, open it up here. So this is a multimedia keyboard. It's compatible with Windows, Mac OS, Android, iOS, Linux, pretty much anything that you can connect to with Bluetooth, this thing can connect to. As you can see, went ahead and opened it here. It comes wrapped in a plastic. Nice white and black color, very professional looking. So this keyboard retails for 80 bucks. It is a full-size keyboard, as you can see here, full-sized. Has a range of 10 meters. Again, this is a keyboard, so I don't really know why you'd be taking this thing more than 10 meters away, unless maybe you're sitting on a couch. This is Bluetooth, but it also comes with, as you can see here on the back, we'll go ahead and open this up. Looks like you just slide it up like this, and it comes out. See, two AAA batteries and little wireless 2.4 gigahertz receivers. Has a nice little compartment to store that in the back. Has up to 24 months of battery life in the two AAA batteries. And as I mentioned earlier, this is 80 bucks. The mouse is... how much is the mouse? Mouse is 30 bucks. So both very professional looking products, and I forgot to mention that on the K780 there's a nice groove here that you can put, say, a phone or an iPad, because again, you can connect this to something like an iPad. So overall, both of these are very professional looking, have a pretty decent price. They're definitely not cheap, but if you want something that's professional, you want to go all wireless, this is what I would say to go for. Alright, thank you so much for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, comment with any suggestions, turn on those notifications, and I'll see you all later.